There's money just sitting there. Hey honeybees, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Sierra. I'm a full-time content creator and mortgage loan officer, and I have helped thousands of people to buy homes and to build wealth. So I take everything I know and I share it with you in hopes you will build wealth also. Okay, y'all, let's just be real. Everything in 2025 has gone up. Rent up, groceries up. But that income, still trying to catch up. So today we're gonna talk about real ways to make extra money in 2025. No fluff, no recycled side hustle tips from 2018. I'm gonna share with you strategies that are smart, scalable, and aligned with the soft life. So let's get into it. Okay, number one, monetize what you already know. One thing we're not gonna do in 2025 is sleep on our skills. If you've ever helped someone set up a budget, edit a resume, plan a trip, or even organize a closet, you have a monetizable skill. Some recommendations that I have are to start with platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Notion templates. You're gonna package your knowledge into a checklist or a workbook or a mini course. People are really just looking for your way of doing things, and no, the market is not too oversaturated. You guys know that I recently left my job, and in the meantime, I have been doing home buyer coaching and loan officer coaching, doing workshops. I created a workbook, which is available now. If you're somebody who's thinking about the home buying process and you just want a simple and easy way to map that out, if you would like to check it out, and it's linked below. This is easy because you're monetizing what you already know. These are effortless ways that you can just draw from the knowledge you already have to make money in a really profitable way. Two, you're gonna reclaim forgotten retirement money. This is something that most people overlook. You might be sitting on like thousands in an old 401k from a previous job. That's real money, and it could be growing right now if you move it. Now, I recently came across this platform called Capitalize, and y'all, it's genius. So basically, it helps you find your old 401k account and roll them over into an IRA that you control. And the best part is that it's completely free. They literally do all the heavy lifting for you, locating your old accounts, filling out the paperwork, and even calling your providers. No paperwork, no phone calls, no stress. Also, Capitalize has 5,000 five-star reviews. There's money just sitting there. In fact, they estimate that there's like $1.65 trillion in assets sitting in left behind 401k accounts. Y'all, that's crazy. So if you've ever changed jobs and left a 401k behind, this just might be one of the easiest ways to reclaim some hidden cash and to get it working for you again. The link is in the description box if you want to check it out. 3, teach AI tools what you know. Now, we're in the day and age when AI tools are learning your voice, your tone, and structure. But did you know you can get paid for that? Sites like Monetize, Data Annotation Tech, and Scale AI, they let you help train AI models just simply using your natural language skills. So if you're great at writing, labeling content, or even just speaking clearly, you can earn side income while teaching tech what humans actually sound like. It's like the new version of user testing, and it pays better than most surveys. Okay, 4, offer digital services. There is a huge market for calm, luxury-aligned service providers right now. So think like voiceover for meditation apps, email marketing for wellness brands, or even just like organizing digital files for creators. So if you're organized or creative or good with words, this is your lane. So for this, you want to check sites like Contra, Solid Gig, and even TikTok creator job boards to find opportunities. 5, flip your life into UGC, user-generated content. Okay, no, because I already know what y'all are about to say. No, you don't need to be an influencer. Brands are practically begging regular, everyday people for natural-looking videos using their product. So for example, you can get paid to create like a 30-second, this is why I love this product video in your own home. So for this, you want to look into platforms like Billo, Join Brands, and even TikTok Creator Marketplace. Now, especially if you're over 30 and relatable, that's your niche. You're not late, you're needed. 6, I want you to leverage your commute, your couch, and your calm. Passive-ish income is still real, but you've got to be intentional. Rent out your car for a few weekends on Turo a month. Host silent co-working sessions on Zoom. License your original content to creators who don't want to start from scratch. So like scripts, journal prompts, photos. You don't need to add chaos, you just need to optimize the calm. And 7, stack and protect. Get your financial house in order. Making extra money is great, but keeping it, that's the move. I want you to open a high yield savings account. Try SoFi, Ally, Discover. You want to use tools like Capitalize that I mentioned to track old accounts and reduce fees. Set up automated transfers so your money grows even while you rest. And this to me is what I call the soft life. Calm money, quiet growth, and confidence in your future. Which one of these are you guys gonna try first? Please let me know in the comments. And don't forget, if you think you might have an old 401k floating around from one of your previous jobs, seriously check out Capitalize. It's one of the easiest ways to uncover and grow money that is rightfully yours. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your smartest friend. We're all about the glow ups with grace in 2025.